Okay, I'm here at Granite in Southwest Bend. So this is in a cul-de-sac. I'll do a 360. Really mature, beautiful trees. This road only services these houses, which is really nice. So this property is south facing. You do have a driveway here. It's not too steep, but what's really nice is you do have this additional parking, which they've obviously added, which makes a big difference. And you have a great walk path with a railing, which is really sturdy. Beautiful trees. So all of this, and I will attach a photo in the video, but all of this is part of the property. So you have plenty of space to park toys or honestly expand if you wanted to. Okay, so as you can see, it does have AC. Let's walk up to the property. So my first thoughts walking up is that the siding looks to be in actually pretty good condition. Typically these south-facing houses, they get a lot of sun exposure and the houses just take a beating. But this isn't, brandly just painted, but it's been, maintained and taken care of. Also, you do have gutters, which is really nice. Some nice rock work, this large window. Okay. So this has a little bit more wear, but it's not bad. You have your walk path. Okay, let's go inside. So my first thoughts are this is a pretty decent sized room. These are taller ceilings, especially for the year this house was built, which is really nice. This big window. It is original. It does need some updating and some love, just in terms of, somebody kind of customizing it. But it's a beautiful window, actually. Okay, and then you have this very retro step down here to the fireplace. Conversation fireplace. Huge rock wall. Okay, you have these steps. You have this bench here. Okay. So you step up. We have bathroom and 2 bedrooms down the hall. Here we have kitchen. This would be formal dining, but you could easily take these are just cosmetic. You could easily take this out and just expand this room. And this would actually be, a very large space for a kitchen and dining room. So these are probably original, just pretty basic counters. These are real wood cabinets. These could be resurfaced, put some new knobs on, and, they would look new. Okay, so we have the garage here. Let's go down into here. Pretty nice size garage, especially for this era this home was built. This is actually, you know, pretty decent. It's long, you could fit a truck in here. That's the back of the fireplace. You could do some better storage and actually accommodate quite a bit in this. So this looks, you know, I don't know if this is original, but it's gonna need to be replaced here soon. It looks like. Okay. Little pantry. Okay. This way we have the master. Now you do have a drop down. This is a queen size bed, but this space could easily fit a king if needed. One large room. We have master closet, and this does go all the way through. So it's actually a pretty decent size. Okay, and then we have 2 steps and the master bathroom, which obviously is original. It would need to be, you know, redone. Okay. We do have laundry room right off the kitchen. Which is a decent size. Like I said, it would be really nice if you could remove this, and this would be one really nice large room. So this looks, the windows look to be original. Obviously they're all in good condition and they have screens, but that will need to be, you know, at some point upgraded. Okay, let's go look at the rest of the house and then we will. Okay. We have a very large second bathroom. So we have a vanity with some really nice built-ins, cabinets matching the rest of the house, which is nice. These would be very, very easy to upgrade. So we have a great pocket door. This room does not have a shower, so you would need to add a shower. This is just a tub. I want to point that out. And then you have a little bench here, which you could easily convert this into cabinets and do storage. Be easy conversion to do. Okay, and then we have a little linen closet. Bedroom number 2. This could easily fit a queen size bed or a couple bunk beds. There's plenty of space. I'll point out original windows. This frame is actually really nice. Let's see if I can get a better look at it. But it is original, but you know, it's actually in great condition. And then large closet. Very large closet. And we have bedroom number 3. I would say slightly smaller, but identical. So now let's go outside. Okay, let's head to the backyard. So they do have a very nice porch out here, Once again, siding looks in nice condition. The roof looks good. Definitely is not original. So we do have a road here. There's no fence on this property. You could easily add a fence and give yourself a little bit of privacy. Really nice built-in. You could have a great picnic table right here. I like how they've done these rock trails, the fire pit. So all of this, and like I said, I'll attach a photo of the lot lines. All of this is the property. You do have a slight hum in the background of the freeway. It's just, it is slight, but it is there. This is all part of the property. All buildable, all usable. You can see where they bring their RV. And you have a nice little shed, a little bit of storage here on the side of the house. You have your septic right there. Yeah. You know, it's original, but the bones are good. The lot is really nice. Just needs a little bit of updating, but it's very doable.